Can you withdraw if you have insulted members?
Mr. Speaker, I am making serious points. I wish to apologize. I know it is because it's nearing weekend. Some of the people are rehearsing out to Econ over the weekend. I support Mr. Speaker.
Senator Wabua Enoch.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I will only say two things about this petition and then say a thing as a leader in this House. Mr. Speaker, I am in full support of this petition. Yes, academic qualifications are important, but also the dignity with which people carry themselves is also important when it comes to public leadership. Mr. Speaker, the committee that will be given the responsibility to deal with this petition should seriously scrutinize the application of Chapter 6 of the Constitution in the appointment and election of speakers of county assemblies, and indeed actually speakers of war assemblies. So, Speaker, the other thing that I wanted to say as a leader in this House, that, Mr. Speaker, and I will never get tired of saying this thing, it is the responsibility of each and every one of us to uphold the dignity of this House by being guided by our own standing orders and rules of debate. Mr. Speaker, it is not right that a senator would just wake up from their seat and use derogatory language against their colleagues and be comfortable with it. Mr. Speaker, it is not right. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, when it comes the time that you're going to use to debate any motion that comes to the floor, let debate flow. Those who get an opportunity to debate will debate. Those who don't get the opportunity, they don't get the opportunity. Let's just debate flow so that, Mr. Speaker, we are able to extract